Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're not playing this morning.
Oh, kia ora, Kōkā. We don't feel like playing because we're mātaku scared. It's our first time going to day camp. But we don't know what will happen when we get there.
Pāpā Rākau went to camp when he was young. Why don't you ask him what happens there?
Good idea, Kōkā. Let's go, Tākaro Tribe.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Pāpā Rākau, we're a bit mataku, scared to go to day camp all on our own.
You won't be alone. Tāne mahuta has sent a very special person to take you there.
Kia ora, kanikani.
Kia ora, Ngāti Tākaro.
Kanikani was the kaiako when I went to day camp many years ago.
Yes, and we called him Pāpā Rākau.
Oh, that's so cool, Pāpā Rākau.
How about we look at what our friends are doing at their day camps?
Yay! We feel really good now, Pāpā Rākau. We've seen what happens at day camp.
Are you all ready to begin your new adventures?
Aye! Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Who will take you?
Yay! Watch out! Out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. Make room for Karanikiwi,
Remember to visit Kōkā on your way home.
Hei koneira, Pāpā Rākau!
Look down, Tākaro Tribe. Can you see your day camp?
There it is! Look, Pooh! They've made a landing strip in the paddock for you!
Hold tight, everyone. We're going down.
mai, a safe landing. Thank you, Pooh.
Welcome back, Karani Kiwi. We thank you and Pooh for bringing Ngāti Tākaro to our day camp.
Seeing you again brings back memories, Māmā Moa. Good to see you again.
Welcome, Tākaro Tribe. Let me introduce you to Matua Tikiti-Tokiti. He will be taking the lesson for today.
Kia ora tamariki mā. I'm so happy you've arrived. I think you're going to have lots of fun today.
We're excited about our first day camp.
Enjoy yourselves, Tākaro Tribe.
Goodbye, Māmā Moa. Goodbye, Karani Kiwi.
Okay, tamariki mā, let's go inside. Tākaro Tribe, how about you buddy out with the person wearing your coloured scarf?
My colour is kōwhai, yellow. That's you, Pepe Moa. My colour is waiporo, purple. That's you, Pepe Tuatara. My colour is kahurangi, blue. That's you, Pepe Weta. My colour is whiro, red. That's you, Pepe Pāpaka. My colour is kākāriki, green. That's you, Pepe Kiwi.
Now it's time to sing your colour waiata, Tākaro Tribe. Yellow, what was your favourite part of the waiata?
The sun, because he is kōwhai, yellow. That's our colour.
Group Purple, what was your favourite part?
The waiporo, purple shoes, because we are group purple.
Group Blue, what was your favourite part?
The blue car, because we are Group Blue.
Group Red, what was your favourite part?
The fiddle, red flowers, because we love puti flowers, and we are Group Red.
And Group Green, what was your favourite part?
Green leaves, because we are the Green Group.
I hope you all had fun today on your first day camp. It's time to say our karakia now.
Angi hauraro, māta he hengi mai. E hoka ai ki runga, ka huri, ka whai. I te aratika ki te kāinga, ka hoki haumaru ai. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki tōku taha, noho mai ki tō Kōkā taha, tihei Māori ora. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
What did you learn today in day camp?
We learned our tai, colours.
Would you like to learn to spell the word colour?
Aye. T-A-E. Tie.
Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Kia ora anō, Tākaro Tribe. I heard you had a great day. Let's celebrate. Let's take a look at what you did today. Tāne mahuta sent Karani Kiwi to go to day camp with you. You met matua Tikiti-Tokiti and made lots of new friends. Together, you formed groups of yellow, purple, blue, red, and green. And you learned to spell the word tai. T-A-E. Tai. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe